Look at this beautiful side of the Royal Botanic Gardens. This is the succulent area. It's quiet, it's beautiful. You feel like you're in Mexico, you know? It's amazing. The light is great. It's almost winter, but the temperature is fantastic. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, only I want to say one thing that is very important, and it took me like billions of years to discover how simple is life and how simple things can make you happy. One is this environment, this beautiful environment, nature, okay? Sleeping well. We think that we need to watch another episode of Netflix, another movie, another Instagram. We need to sleep. You sleep, you feel better. Go to bed, trying to go to bed every day at the same time, and you will wake up in the morning without not alarms, okay? Which is natural. You eat. I know people say, oh, eat. Forget diets, forget everything. Eat real food. Go for things that your grandma will say, this is food. But eat real food. Sleep. Be connected with real people. Likes, no likes. This is dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone. We make dopamine here in the gut. It's a brain. Start having real people. Hug people. When you hug real people, you have oxytocin, real oxytocin. Have a project today. Don't live tomorrow. Just live for today. Have a plan for tomorrow if you want, but live today. In order to be happy, we need to do simple things. When you do simple things, you are happier. Problems are there. Problems are going to come, are going to stay there. But try to do simple things. You will regain again happiness.